All right, and we're back. This is probably going to be the shortest video I've ever made. Okay? My motorcycle did not come with an owner's manual. So I was trying to do a little bit of search online to find, okay, what are the recommended tire pressures? Looked all over the freaking place. Crazy. Can't find it. It's like nowhere to be found. So I'm just here to tell you in a video, your front tire is supposed to be 36 PSI. Your rear tire is supposed to be 40 PSI. Okay? I'm sure that changes if you're running 2-up. I'm not running 2-up. I am running, solo rider. So, and this is the Michelin Schorchers. So remember, 36 front, 40 on the rear. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.